Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how to swap Bitcoin for Tron TRX on Binance. So let's get started.
So first what you need to do is open the Binance mobile app and log into your verified account. If you don't already have a Binance account, make sure you register and verify one, because only then you will be able to use the convert feature. Once you are logged in, head over to the wallet section. From here you can either view your overview or check your spot wallet to see all of your tokens. Now if you scroll through, you'll notice your Bitcoin balance. Next, go back to the home page and select the convert option. On this conversion page, you need to set Bitcoin as the coin you want to convert from. In the second field, tap the drop down menu and search for Tron. Select Tron as the coin you want to receive. After that, enter the amount of Bitcoin you like to convert, or you can simply tap on the max option to use your full balance. Then tap on preview conversion, review the details, and finally hit convert. Within a moment, your Bitcoin will be exchanged for Tron successfully. And that's it, you've now converted BTC to TRX on Binance using the mobile app. Thanks for watching.